At ActTrident, we focus on the most critical element of security, human action. Today, we're looking at a major shift in global banking. HSBC CEO George El recently made headlines in Bloomberg and AML Intelligence, stating that while AI is spreading through banking, human judgment remains vital. El calls AI an accelerator, but emphasizes that accountability must stay at the core of decision making. First, AI handles the data assembly line, freeing professionals to focus on high value judgment in lending and compliance. Second, the human touch remains the primary differentiator in wealth management, even as systems scale globally. Reports show HSBC has reallocated nearly $2 billion toward technology, aiming to decommission a third of its legacy applications by 2028. This mirrors our philosophy at ActTrident. We believe in empowering the human element while preventing the risky actions that lead to incidents. ActTrident prevents risky human actions before they become security incidents. Book a live demo at acttrident.ai.